Welcome back to another exciting episode of Please Subscribe and Like the channel. Also, I am Keith, and I want to talk today about the importance of mentors, mentorship, and why, if you don't have one, you should be seeking a mentor today. So when I say mentor, I'm also talking about coach, as well as role model or someone that you can communicate with in any field that allows you to become better and better the more you work on something. So whether this is a sport, a job, a profession, a hobby, there is a reason why people look towards coaches and mentors as a way to accelerate how good they are at their task. What do I mean by accelerating your growth? Well, the first thing in having a mentor or a coach, like let's say for instance a life coach, is that there is an accountability factor that gets put into effect. When you sit down with someone who is most of the time volunteering their time to help you, you're giving them your goals and your plan of action. When you schedule another time to see this person and you want to update them on what you've been doing, you might have to come up with a lot of excuses if you do not have your task done. Two things happen here. One, it proves to yourself if this is something that you want to put more time and effort into. Because if you want to, you will. You won't procrastinate it, you won't forget about it, you won't try to do it in the last minute. You will be consistently working on it. Second, tying into the effort you put into achieving your goals, is that you're getting this time from your coach or mentor. And if you do not show that your meeting with them is giving you any sort of improvement, the odds are they are not going to keep up with you to give you advice and to check in, because they are assuming that you're not getting the work done. Obviously, on the flip side of it, the more motivation you give, the more you show that you're putting in the time and effort, the more they want to help you out. Coming from the standpoint of a mentor and a coach, the more I see the people that I work with putting in time and effort to grow, it also motivates me to grow, because in the back of my mind, this person is sacrificing in order to accomplish their goals. I want to be able to do the same, because that energy is contagious, and that energy is the main part of getting into a mentorship or coaching program. Being able to surround yourself with one core person or a group of people that share the same values as you do in your task and field is motivating. The energy is contagious. Nobody wants to be left behind. And if people do experience roadblocks or hard times where they need additional assistance, having that effort put forward in the beginning will help those people see that you do want to put in time and effort and you are struggling right now. So they become your support system to help pick you up. We're not all perfect. We fail. We go through hard times. But if we're able to have that energy that we're surrounded with, then we could be that same motivation for someone going through hard times, and those people will be able to be that for us in return. And let's just say you're in that league of people who does have an investment in some sort of field, but you're not sure if you want a mentor or a coach. Then what you should really do is ask yourself, is there someone else that has achieved the same level of success and achievement that I want to achieve? And I'm sure you know where I'm going with this, but if the answer is yes, then that is the person, or that person is the type of person that you should be getting experience from, that you should be asking questions to. And the more that you show what they are giving you is giving you value, the more they're willing to help you out. Or at least they should, if they have the mindset that wants to inspire other people to grow. And for someone like me, I do life coaching as well as accountability coaching, where I'm there for people that are in different fields than I am. But I am a resource that allows them to say, hey Keith, I'm going to accomplish A, B, and C in the next 6 months. Can you hold me accountable? What I do is I'm the one checking in on them. I'm the one asking them questions and checking in to make sure they're okay. If they're not okay, what can I do to help? And going back to what I said earlier, it shows to yourself if you really do have the time, the energy, and the motivation to do what it is you set out to do. And if you don't, understand that that means your energy needs to be directed towards something else. Do not let it go into an empty pit of you feeling like you're wasting your time and energy when you could be putting it towards something that you feel can better yourself in your future. As always, I hope this information was very helpful to you, and hopefully it inspired you to reach out to someone or to find a life coach, a mentor, or a coach in whatever field you are looking for to help bring about the change you wish to see in your life. Until next time, I'm Keith. Please leave a like to show your support, and comment on a good resource that you have if you believe there's some sort of website or tool that people can use to find mentors or coaches. Until next time, I'll see you.